Hopefully you have your supplies ready to do this little demo. Caitlin's helping me out. Caitlin, do you have pepper?
Yep.
Okay, and do you have a bowl, plate, or a petri dish of water? I actually have 2 of them, that's cool. Do you have liquid soap?
Yes.
And you have the optional hand sanitizer, right? Okay, so you filled a shallow bowl. We used petri dishes. In fact, you did 2 of them with water. So if you need to do that, go ahead and go do that, everyone. The next thing Caitlin's going to do is take some pepper, just regular pepper, and she's going to sprinkle an equal amount, not too much, just sprinkle around so that it mostly covers though. And then in both petri dishes, try to have an equal amount of pepper. So you can see Caitlin's got a decent amount of pepper in both. So we'll pause for a minute to let you do that. Remember, the pepper is representing germs. And I know pepper is not the same as germs, but it is tiny, but it's also able to be seen with the naked eye. It's representing germs, pathogens like bacteria or viruses. It's similar to them in that it's tiny and it's light and it would travel in the air. Caitlin's not doing any sneezing, but that means it didn't get into her.
I was about to.
So that's one of the ways that pepper is similar. So once you've gotten to this point, you've put pepper in 1 or 2 bowls or dishes. All right, so we've got the pepper equally in both dishes. Now Caitlin's going to use a cotton swab, but you could just as easily use the tip of your finger. And Caitlin, I want you to put 1 drop of hand sanitizer on the tip of that thing. Not a lot, right? You don't want it to be dripping. Wipe some on your hands if you need to. All right, now gently touch that to the center, just the surface of one of the things. All right, what do you see happening, Caitlin?
It's like moving some of the pepper out of the way.
All right, cool. So just like hand sanitizer would chase some of the germs away from your hands, this is moving some of the pepper. So then let's try the soap on a different cotton swab or a different finger, it doesn't matter. All right, go ahead and gently touch that. Whoa, so what do you notice about that, Caitlin?
It's spread out like a lot.
Right, so not only did it move it away, but it moved it almost completely to the edges of the dishes, right? So what do you think that tells you?
That the dish soap is stronger and better at repelling germs than...
Exactly, and this all has to do with a chemical property called polarity that you'll learn about in 8th grade or in chemistry if you're Caitlin's case. So that is our demonstration on hand sanitizer and soap. Just another way besides our petri dishes to show that the best way to get rid of germs is really your old-fashioned soap and water. Bye, everybody.